How can you create animated Stickman videos for free using AI? If you're wondering the same thing, you're in the right place. Don't worry, I'll guide you through it. We'll keep everything completely free, and your characters will remain consistent across every scene. First, take a look at this channel. They've got around 104,000 subscribers with only 67 videos. And here's the crazy part. Their first upload was just 5 months ago. Yep, 5 months. That's basically the time it takes most of us to decide what font to use. And now they're already pulling in views and making money. So you might be thinking, how are they doing this? Well, if you watch their videos closely, you'll notice something funny. They're mostly using static images. The Stickman characters barely move, no fancy animation, no Hollywood effects, and somehow the views still keep coming in. The good news, if they can do it, you definitely can too. In this video, I'll show you how to animate simple images and turn them into similar videos that can easily attract a lot of views. In this video, I'm going to share a secret that makes creating content fast and easy. I'll give you a master prompt that handles everything from start to finish, including images, sound, and full video production. I'll also show you a powerful tool that automates your videos so you can manage everything easily in one place. I've put the master prompt and all the links from this tutorial in the description for you. If you find this helpful, please like the video and subscribe so you don't miss my next tutorials. First, I'll copy the prompt from this section and paste it into ChatGPT. Then I go back to the Google Doc to copy the second piece of text. I'm going to paste that right into the insert topic part. Finally, I click the generate button and for the result to be ready. Next, I go to the Gemini website to create the images. I split my screen, click on the Create Image option, and paste the prompts for each scene one by one. Finally, I download all the photos. Now let's create the video. First, open your Chrome browser and find the Grow Automation extension. You can use the link in the description below to access it quickly. Go to the Chrome Web Store and install it. I recommend pinning the extension so it's easy to find later. Next, click on the extension icon. For this to work, make sure the Grok website is open and you're logged in. Then click the Navigate to Grok button to enter the site. Once you're there, you'll see that the extension is active and ready to use. Now, choose the Frame to Video option and upload your photos. Be very careful to add all the photos in the correct order. Finally, go to ChatGPT and copy the video prompts from part 2. Go back to Grok and paste them into the prompt section. As you can see, it found exactly 10 scenes using the same 10 photos I gave it. In this extension, every 2 new lines creates a new prompt, so be careful. If the scenes don't look right, you probably put a new line in the wrong place. Now, I'll scroll to the bottom and click the Run button. From here, the automation does all the work and turns each image into a video one by one. Just one very important point. Do not close the Grok tab at all while it is working. Once the work is finished, the extension will automatically download all the videos into a folder for you. Next, let's create the voiceover. For this part, I use Google AI Studio. It is a powerful and free tool for creating voices, and I have put the link in the description. Once I am on this page, I select the single speaker option. In the model section, I choose Gemini 2.5 Flash Preview TTS. I have picked a random voice, and now it is time for the script. I go back to ChatGPT and find part 3, which is the voiceover script. Here, there is a different text for every scene. I already copied all those texts and put them together. Now I copy everything, go to Google AI Studio, and paste it into the text section. In the style instructions, I also ask for a warm and motivational tone. Finally, I click Run to generate the voice. When the audio is ready, I download it. Then, I put the videos I recorded earlier into my editing software. I match the audio and video together carefully to get a clean result. Now let's see what I made.
This is how most dreams die, just scrolling and waiting for motivation. But time keeps moving, even when you're doing nothing. So he makes a tiny decision, just 5 minutes. No big goals, no pressure, just start small. And suddenly, starting feels easier than thinking. He sets a 5-minute timer. That's all. 5 minutes of learning, 5 minutes of effort. The timer ends, but something changed. Small actions begin to stack. Confidence grows. Your future isn't built in a day. It's built in 5 minutes.